Meaning of destination.
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 Destination. Destination refers to a place that someone or something is going towards or being sent to. It's the final point of a journey or a goal that one is striving to reach. The term is often associated with travel, tourism, and transportation, but it can also be used in a wider context to describe a desired outcome or endpoint of a process. Understanding the concept of destination is important for planning and decision-making, as it helps to clarify where one wants to go and how to get there.